The Delhi High Court website this week introduced a new Humour in Court section to capture the witty stories and anecdotes from the courtrooms. The first submission on the portal was made by Justice Rajiv Shakdhar, who also heads the court's IT, Artificial Intelligence and Accessibility Committee. This committee is also responsible for the setting up of the section which seeks to capture the humorous moments from the courtrooms. Speaking to ThePrint, the Delhi High Court Bar Association President and Senior Advocate Mohit Mathur said that the idea behind the portal was to share some lighter moments from the courtroom proceedings for people to enjoy. How will it function? The functioning of the site is simple. Any litigant or advocate can send their contributions to a designated email, that is, the Delhi High Court @nic.in, with the subject Humour in Court. The posts that pass the screening by the designated High Court committee will be posted online. Justice Rajiv Shakdhar clarified that the anecdotes will not be edited. However, there is a screening committee which is meant to ensure a system of checks. Justices Rekha Palli, Amit Bansal and Prateek Jalan of the Delhi High Court will be part of the screening committee. Justice Shakdhar also shared some ground rules to be kept in mind when sending contributions to the portal, such as naming the persons involved in the anecdotes, not crossing boundaries of decency, and making sure that the anecdotes aren't offensive. Highlighting that judges and lawyers might often need to make such remarks and lighten up the court's mood, especially when tempers run high, Justice Shakdhar had said, "We need to learn how to laugh at ourselves, a skill that most of us have forgotten nowadays." Is this the first time that such an initiative has been launched? Justice Shakdhar, during his address on Wednesday, cited a book authored by advocate Ijaz Maqbool called Law, Humour and Urdu Poetry, which also has a section on somewhat strange or absurd cases that have propped up before the courts over time. The book's launch in December last year was attended by Supreme Court Judge Justice K.V. Vishwanath, senior advocates like Salman Khurshid and Huzaifa Ahmadi, and the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta. Besides this, stand-up comedian and lawyer Manu Abhishek Bhardwaj also performed a stand-up comedy session at the Ambedkar Memorial Lecture on the topic of Article 32 in April this year before an audience of sitting Supreme Court judges like Justices Abhay S. Oka and B.R. Gavai. The Allahabad High Court legal archives, which were published to celebrate the centenary 1866 to 1966, also contain a document authored by Justice Gyanendra Kumar titled Law and Laughter. One of the initial pages reads, "The image of a High Court judge in the mind of a common man is one of solemn grimness, but it is only a half-truth. The judge is as much a human being as anybody else, possessing an innate sense of humour and giving rise to repartees between the bench and the bar." Thanks for watching. This is Khadija Khan from ThePrint, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.